Now that's looking a bit green, isn't it? It hasn't looked like that for a long time. Reason being, I think I stuffed up a little bit. The pool light was flickering, submersible light, pool light was flickering, and I thought, well, it's only a year old, that light, that pool. Hasn't lasted long. That light's probably on its way out. So we got onto our pool man. Where can we get a submersible light for the pool? We sent him the photos of the one that we've got after me draining half the pool. That's why it's green, because I've just topped it up last night again, but I drained the pool about 200, 300 below that submersible light to get the light out. Took the light out, took photos of it, sent them to our pool man, YN, and he said, yes, I'll get you that. He dropped it off, I don't know, about 6 o'clock last night. So I was in there, back in the pool, wiring. Well, it's not a big job, just connecting the two wires together and a bit of that waterproof tape, and putting the new submersible light in. Put that all in and through the hose in to top the pool up again. That's why it's green. Yeah, flick the switch for the light, and it's doing exactly the same thing, flickering. So I think I jumped the gun a bit. Probably should have checked the transformer, because that's what I'm thinking it is now. It's a brand new light. There's power to that switch. It was on a timer, one of those wall timers for the light to come on and off. That's working. I've checked the power point under where the pump is. There's power to that, so yeah, it's off to the shops tomorrow to get a new transformer. If that doesn't work, well, it's got to be, well, I don't know what it'll be, but I'm betting that's what it is. So yeah, so YN will be around here. We rang him, and messaged him this morning to bring a few extra chemicals, because he's going to have to dose it up again, because it's green. Hasn't been like this, that colour. It's been crystal clear ever since we've had YN. And you might be thinking, you're a lazy bastard. Why wouldn't you do that yourself? It's only a small pool. And I had all intentions of doing that. I thought, yes, that'll give me something to do. And when we moved in, this pool was green, this colour, for about 3 weeks after we've been living in here. I was throwing chlorine in, I was throwing acid in. I could not get it right. I could not get the little test thing. It was doing my head, and I even said to our daughter, Jasmine, don't go in that pool until it's right. So, after about 3 weeks of trial, trying to get it right, got hold of our pool guy, YN. He come round, he had a look. He opened the filter, the pump and the filter, which is here. I mean, that's goes on top of there, but you take that lid off and it's all under the deck. He had a look at that, and he shook his head, and he said, it wouldn't matter how many chemicals I throw in your pool, that pump is all asked about face. It's water's going in where it should be going out. He said it's got to be replumbed, and I said, well, you know, I was looking at it myself and I didn't think it was right. There was, you know, pipes crossing over and it was a dog's bloody breakfast. So Ryan and a mate of his come the following weekend, and they cut all the old pipe out, put all new piping in, plumbed it up, and it even looks professional. You know, it's all pipes are in a straight line and no crisscross. And yeah, charges. You know, the price was, well, I'm not going to tell you, it was bloody cheap. And yeah, it's been going, yeah, good ever since. He fixed the problem. That's what it was. So yeah, and that's why one of the reasons we've still got a pool man, because YN, he's our pool guy now, and we'll keep him. I wasn't going to say to him after he fixed the problem, oh, thanks very much for that. Like, I don't need you now. For, you know, for what he charges, was it 100,000 a week? He comes around every Sunday. Yep, you could virtually set your watch. He's around every Sunday, and he's in here, around here for a good, I don't know, 40 minutes. But he does what he has to do. But he vacuums, does the skim and the chemicals. He's in there pumping doing a flush with the sand filter, whatever he does in there. Then he pumps that water out. Yeah, worth is well worth his weight in gold. So we've kept him, and I'm pretty happy with his service. So that's why we've still got a pool guy. So it's not because I'm a lazy bugger. Well, I am really, but I'm not going to tell you that. So that's the pool now. YN will be around here probably within the next half hour, and get onto it. So I've got to get a new transformer for that light, because yeah, I like to see it looks nice at night with the light on. So that's my pool story. So don't jump the gun, and just think, oh, it's got to be that, because it could be something else. As usual, I've got a spare now, haven't I? I've probably bought a new submersible for no reason, but anyway, that'll be going in the cupboard. The old one, I'm not going to bloody swap on them back around, but the old one can go in the cupboard, and we'll use that at another time. There's the doorbell, and YN, the pool guy, is here. Yep. So YN's just turned up with the new transformer. So I've just got to put the plug on one end, and so I've just put the new plug on the end of the new transformer, and I'll plug the old, there's YN, our pool man, doing his thing. I've plugged the old light in, the old submersible, and yep, she works. So that's a good confirmation That was the transformer. That actually is a bigger looking tranny than the one that's down there. So we'll see how long that. So yep, that's what it was. It's that transformer. So as usual, me going arse around face, fixing one thing when it was, I should have checked the two. Instead of checking one, should have checked the two. But anyway, we have a spare submersible light for the pool now. So yeah, if we've still got it in another 5 or 10 years, I'll use that if this one shits itself. So it's all going well now.